Oh yeah, we're back, guys. Come on, let's go. I was going to sleep. Yeah, we're good. What's on our little list? Wells, Blaze, Marjorie, and Shino. I'll do Shino. It's raining. Good for my crops, not very good for me still. I love the sound of rain. Good morning! Welcome! Did you see my request shot? Yeah, what do you need? Well, a little silly, but I was hoping you could prepare a dish for me. A dish? Really escalation for him, but he's been healthy. I think he needs a break. Sure, I don't mind lending a hand. Thank you so much. The trick part is I need one dish that both my goals will love. Gotcha, I need to cook one dish that matches both their tastes. That's right, I wish I could be more specific with more ideas. Maybe you can get some inspiration by talking to them. I know what they want. Sakya, like sashimi, squid. Squid sashimi? Yummaloo. Never had it before. Ah, the rain. Good morning, welcome. Don't complain about not having the right ingredients. Do the best with the mix you've got. Words of wisdom. Rain, I'm not a fan. Good morning. I hate spinach. That's sailor food, and I'm no sailor. Wake up! She's still asleep. Yeah, take a nap. Wait, what am I thinking? Yeah, good point. Wake up! Finally. Good morning. I wish I would give up on this stupid witch portion to focus on cooking. Then I wouldn't mind being her generally guinea pig. Well, as long as she doesn't cook with stuff like new eyes. Yum. Oh, I need a squid too. It's morning, Shaggy. Good morning. What's up? What does Sakura like? Baths! And she likes eating sashimi in the baths, especially tasty squid sashimi. What's up? What do I like? Baths! No questions about it. Now that I think about it. I need to talk to everyone. Good morning, Shaggy. Good morning. And maybe I should use a cheese fondue to cook? No, silly, to make socks. I don't even want to know how you'd go about that. It's a little weird. Okay. What a nice day. Good morning. I recently went on a vacation to Alvarana. It's the most curious statue at their gates. A bronze pineapple. A bronze pineapple? What kind of city would erect that kind of statue? It always sounds like a falsehood. As you well know by now, I do not fid. Ah, so it's not actually true. That's good. They have good respect a town that builds pineapple statues. Trying to... The weather's so disappointing. You want to dose? Good morning. You know when you take medicine? Well, it's called oral administration, yes. And if you administer frozen paint in your mouth, well, I don't know what the last word was. Oh, hello to the tree bar. Wish the rain would let us in. Oh, good morning. When you get older, you can't move as quickly as you used to. It's such a ball of energy. It can be tough to keep up with. You can only imagine. Raven! Good morning. Good morning. What? Crystals are pretty because they're made from the power of nature, I've heard. Really? Do you like crystals? They're okay. Yes. It's raining. Maybe we'll do some foraging. Good morning. I don't like the cold, but I love the heat. Well, not that it really matters. It's a diarrhea, just a peek. A strange man appeared today. He says he doesn't know anything about this. That's obviously suspicious. Suspicious? Rain makes my old bones ache. Good morning. Monica's going so fast. Well, it's more fun to celebrate her birthday than mine. Frankly, I could do without another reminder that I've grown yet another year older.
Morning.
Good morning. Today's my birthday, so Charlotte's gonna bake me a cake today. Jealous? I am.
Good morning.
Rain is great for flowers, and it means you don't have to water your crops. Good morning. Welcome. Go on, professional. Today's sin is girliness. It'll drive the men wild. Oh, maybe that's not what you want. Today is Monica's birthday. I plan on giving her a cute accessory. I told her I was making her a cake, so I'm sure she will be surprised. I want a cake. I could actually go for some cake right now, to be honest. Hey, all. Oh, good morning, good morning. Welcome. We don't get a lot of new customers, but we got enough regulars to keep us busy. No, Shaggy, I should have said good mornings. What's good about mornings? Good morning. You can be now. You're just going to go to the dentist without a weapon. I can use a little magic. Oh, I see. I thought you were too lazy to learn magic. Well, seems easier than swinging a weapon. Morning, bro. Good morning. This wonderful sun. Is it you? This is so relaxing. This will remind me of Corn. Welcome, because it's the best season to catch lamb squid. I will dual plates, but I can wield 18 rods. You have much to learn. I'm still training myself. Nice. It's a nice day, perfect for fishing. Good morning. Did you know there are some fish that are poisonous or can cause seal? Poisonous ones are blowfish and poison rainbow trout. Be careful cooking them. Seal squid has an effective seal. If you eat it, you won't be able to use magic. I'll need to be careful. But if you throw it at a monster, it'll be the most poisonous seal. So it's not the fish's fault. That's just one of their many defense mechanisms. We're all just trying to survive in this crazy world. I see you know a lot about fish. I'm impressed. Lottery's not gonna get you anyway. I need a squid, though. Give me a squid. Give me a squid. Give me a squid. It's not a squid. You're a failure. I never want to see you again. I need a squid. I'll go to the I can't pronounce it. Oh, I think that's a squid. It looks squiddy. You bastard. I'll never forgive you. That was most likely a squid right there. You made me lose it. It's unforgivable. Damn it, I lost the squid. I'll take that. Boiled spinach, huh? Will you stop going so far? Just, no, take that back. Yeah! What else can I make? I'll do some little cooking. I'll make bamboo rice. I'm out of bamboo and rice. Oh, I gotta go give this Sheena. Sheena, I got a squid shami. So I think Tia and Saki will both love it. No problem. You really must understand both my clothes well. You think so? Well, here's your reward. And thanks again, anytime. Rewards completed. Oh, greenifier. Cool, don't really need it. Did not mean to hit that button. Oh yeah, I need that. $48. That's good. Let's see, I need to do the request board now. What do we need? Shower, nope, PR, I need it. No! Emergency, looking for something. I'll find out, Luke, Colette. My tummy hurts. Ooh, Nelly. That's not feel good. Yep, we find someone fighting. It says calamity. Terrible, awful, muchy. Full on food yellow. Come on, what do you need? Medicine. Medicine, are you sick? A little on the door. I'm sorry to hear that. By the way, what kind of medicine do you need? I need medicine for my stomach ache. A stomach ache? I was in your stomach pretty much made a pass on. Maybe it may be some medicine, but it looks like she accidentally gave it to someone else. I see, but you don't answer my question about what happened to your stomach. Never you mind that. Let's track down that medicine. First, we need to find Marion. There was a spell, there was a word, there was a grammar mistake. I had a screenshot to make fun of them. Well, nope, Marion, the medicine, give me. What are you talking about, the medicine? Let's see, the only people who came by were Showman and Hazel. I must have handed one by mistake. Well, you gotta track down Showman or Hazel and forcefully whip that medicine out of them. Let's go, Shaggy. We fight to deliver infinite gastric justice. Hey, wait up, hold up. Poor Shaggy. You know, she moves awfully well for someone with stomach ailments. Ailment, that's a nice word, ailment. Never heard that word in a while. Hazel, welcome. Hazel, did you get any medicine from Marion? Oh, how did you know? I actually did. Yeah, this invincible. I've been so tired lately. If only Rune could work out once in a while. Please excuse me, Shaggy. We're going to the next one. Wait, Colette. I'm not sure what's going on. It seems you got a full plate. Please excuse me. Oh, where's Showman? Oh, there he is. Showman, wait, hold up.
Yeah.
What terrible weather. Hello, Shaggy, you don't smell good. Cohen, did you get any medicine from area? No. Is this it? This is stomach medicine? I do need it. Alvin says to be on the safe side. Please excuse me, Shaggy. We're going to the next one. Still looking for stomach medicine? Shaggy and the sous chef. You both so not likely. Haha, please excuse me.
What would you like?
What's the matter? I feel bad, but, maybe neither of them had it. Oh, that's strange. Oh, what? What is? Looks like I had it in my pocket the whole time. No wonder I couldn't find it anywhere. Seriously? Now I know. At least we found it. Here's your medicine. Yay, huh? Huh? This is the medicine that will make me bigger? Yeah, oh, that was just a supplement. Just get some exercise when you eat well and you grow in your home. Ew, and get plenty of sleep. That's what Grandma said when she told me I couldn't give you the medicine I need. Aw. That information stays here. Don't tell anyone, okay? Here, take this. That sounds like no one knows already. I don't need, someone else can handle those. I don't need, I'm just gonna see if I can cook anything else, and then I'm gonna head out. I can put this in here. No, that's a storage box. I don't need. A lot of stuff I don't need. Let's see, anything else? Nope, that does it. I'll see if there's nothing else I can cook. Dumplings. I should spend just an entire day just catching fish. But I think that's enough for today. Thank you all for watching so much. I love doing this with you guys. Just want to thank you one last time and see y'all next time.